myself. My Black Hawk electric skateboard just arrived and I'm going to unbox it and take it for a spin. This is the first time I've actually had an electric skateboard, so really excited. Okay, there's like a little handle. Whoa. Let's look at it. Just taking it out. The board. It's a lot bigger than I thought actually. That's sick. And we've got this little box here. Pretty insane. The front. Oh, just waved at me. And then that's the bottom, which is pretty sick, I think. And then got this little box here, so let's open that up. Okay. Got the remote, the charger cable. It's pretty sick. We've got the remote control, which is pretty cool. Little handle, go forward, brake, power, reverse. It's pretty sick. It actually comes with a tool, which is sick. That, the charging cable, this and this part, and a USB cable, I think for charging the remote. Okay, that's cool. This side. Outside my apartment now, testing this for the first time. Ooh. Whoa. That is a lot more powerful than I thought it was going to be. It's been a couple days since I did my first test, mostly because it's been raining in Queenstown and I really wanted to do this on a nice day. So we're out along the lake. Got it. I've added some stickers to it, as you can see. I'm gonna take it for a proper test. I think, like, just honestly, so much more power but so sturdy still. Like, definitely one of my favorite new toys. Stoked on it, so I'm gonna take it for another ride. And yeah, having such a good time. It's sick.